This video shows you how to create a public NNAS course, but have it set to allow bookings only through your provider website. NNAS recognises that many of our providers already have a booking mechanism on their websites and do not wish to use Just Go to take bookings. Once you're logged in, click on the menu and select Event Management. I'm going to use a course that I have set in draft currently. Here it is. I'm going to edit the course. I'm going to scroll down to the Event Details area. Here we are. It's really important to put a clear link to your website so that candidates can see where to click for further details and to book a space on your course. I recommend putting it at the top here above the other writing so that people see it first. You've got some choices here. You can make the font size larger and you can even change the colour of it so that it stands out. I've put in the NNAS website, but you would add your own website link. A short message just to catch their attention, and you can highlight the website address and insert a link. I'm going to click Open in a new tab. That way they can get back to Just Go if they need to, much easier. And now that's a link. The next thing to do is to scroll down to Part 3, Event Tickets. We're going to keep the ticket there, but we're going to make the availability of it 0 and we're going to make the price 0. This stops people booking but allows greater visibility of your courses should someone search for a course using the price filter. We click on the pencil icon to edit the ticket. We're going to change the quantity available to 0, make the price 0, and tick the tick button to accept those changes. Now we scroll down to Listing Privacy. We're going to keep the course listed as public so that the public can see the course advertised. Although they can't book directly through Just Go, they'll be able to see it and follow your link to your website to make a booking. And the last thing to do is to go to Advertised Price Settings. Currently it's set to Ticket Range. We don't have a ticket, so that's not going to show a price. So we'll tick User Defined Range and keep the manual minimum price at 0. That actually doesn't show up when you do it that way, and put your full price, including the NNAS course fee, in at the manual maximum price. And what that does then, when it's advertised, it just shows the course as £150. There's no 0 to 150 when you do it that way. Now what we need to do is scroll to the very top, click on Save. So the course is still in draft status and we want to publish it. So we go to the menu, click on Publish, and that makes the course accepting bookings. And there it is. So people won't be able to book via Just Go because although you have a ticket, there's 0 of them available, but in the details area there'll be your link to guide people to your website to make a booking.